Ever worry about what games or content others can access on your Steam account, especially kids? Let me show you exactly how to enable Family View on Steam so you can control what's available and create a safe, customized experience. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. Make sure it's up to date so nothing glitches along the way. If you're not signed in yet, click the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your account name and password carefully so you don't get locked out by a typo, then hit Sign In. Once you're on the home page, look up to the top right and click your profile name. From the drop-down that appears, choose Account Details. That's the hub where all your account settings live. Inside Account Details, scroll or navigate to the section labeled Family. If you don't see all the options, your account may still be limited, so make sure it's verified and unrestricted before you continue. Click Manage Family View to begin setup. This is where you decide what the protected account can access. Steam will ask you to choose exactly which content, features, or sections are viewable when Family View is turned on. So think about what you want to restrict and what you're okay leaving open. When you're happy with your selections, click Next. Steam will now ask for a recovery email. Don't skip this. If you ever forget your PIN or need to change settings, the recovery address saves you from being locked out. Enter the email, continue, and now it's time to create your PIN. Choose something strong but memorable and type it twice to confirm. After that, Steam sends a confirmation code to the email you just provided. Check your inbox and don't forget to look in the spam or promotions folder in case it lands there. Grab that code, enter it in Steam, and click Next one more time. That's it. Family View is officially enabled on your Steam account. You now have control over what others see and use, and you can toggle those restrictions with your PIN whenever you need. If this helped you out, stick around for more Steam guides and tech tips. Got questions? Or want to walk through on another feature? Drop a comment and I'll do my best to cover it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a protected account.